Bismillah wa salatu wa salam ala Rasulullah. May Allah bless us all, and Ramadan is very near, so I thought that I'll share something that may be useful for the people, because many people go to perform Umrah, and sometime you are in a situation where it's very difficult to come out from Haram or Haramain to perform Wudu. So inshallah I'm going to explain in a most convenient way to perform wudu in between the saf or in the masjid itself with a very limited amount of water, to make sure that you will not having a mess in the masjid of Allah. So all you need is just this size of a spray bottle or a little bit more with fill of water, and a small cloth with you that can help you, so that the water will be just water drop not on the floor or in the saf. And I will show you the basic of wudu and some of the sunnah, and focus on faraid. So while starting the wudu, we just start bismillah, and you just use this spray bottle to get some amount of water, so that you start with the basic of wudu. And when it comes to faraid, so make sure that the water, when you spray, the water should start flowing. So when you feel that water start flowing, you just spray it well, so that the force is completed. Similarly, you just start from here and you come to the bottom till the time that you spray everywhere, and you feel that the water is start flowing, it's going down. You just rub it to make sure that you covered all the area and nothing left behind. But make sure that, as I said, that make sure that you will have enough water that it should flow from the skin. Similarly, I will use this, and when it comes for the foot, what we need to do is, again, I'll show you that you need to come to your feet and then spray in such a way that when you feel that it is start, spray it all the place, and once you know it will start flowing, then rub it all across. So make sure that you will not have and similarly you do from the for your other foot. And I just want to show you how much water it dropped on this and on this cloth. So in this way you are able to perform the wudu in between your saf or in the masjid while not messing anything, and not be in the situation where you need to go out to the masjid and come back again. So just a small bottle of water and a piece of cloth, and you're done with it. May Allah help us and may Allah guide us. Jazakumullah khair wa khairul jaza. If you feel that it can be helpful for the others, please share.